pondering life like a sage, mind racing on life's stage. This page I write in chaos, trying to fight my rage. But in Jesus Christ the Savior, I choose to engage. In a world where right seems wrong, where the weak are crushed by the strong, leaders preach a forgotten song. To the poor where they don't.
Ghetto stories, I caught up in adulthood. I was born in the suburbia, Bandakuchoka Chesia, brainstorming things like the Professor Xavier. Calm in the storm cause Jesu ndiye savior. Messianic, masatanic makatsama, but it's funny you defend the makers of your trauma. The drama, the war in the street is for more. The leaders rarely practice what they preach to the poor. And the law gives the devil yet another door to explore. Anything the Bible isn't for. As I grow, I'm learning where to focus or ignore, but I know the only one true savior is the Lord. I used to watch the news and I'd be petrified. They spraying bombs on people like a pesticide. The outer ego evil, but my best inside, cause Jesus is equivalent to energy of love and light. My creative juices are exclusive, they're not for Lucifer. And I'd be Lucifer, shame the savior who they crucify. Truth or die, aiming for eternity, I do survive. Sometimes you need the pressure, not the depression, but the drive to put the effort. You can get things done. The action carries blessings, it can make it fun. Your life is always streaming, kunge Netflix plan.